How good is your Spanish? In this quiz, you'll see a word on the screen, and you must choose the correct image. You only have a few seconds, so think fast and pick A or B. Let's begin. Can you guess this one? Manzana. Do you know this Spanish word? Perro. Which image is correct? Agua. Pick the right one. Mesa. A or B? What's your choice? Sol. Is this easy for you? Pan. Test your skills with this. Coche. How about this one? Casa. Can you identify this object? Pájaro. Choose wisely. Mano. Which one is the real deal? Puerta. Ready for a challenge? Libro. Give it your best shot. Árbol. Do you recognize this word? Zapatos. Select the right photo. Cama. Time to test your brain. Playa. What's the correct answer? Teléfono. Spot the right image. Ojo. Think fast and choose. Pantalones. Let's see your Spanish skills. Café. Which picture matches the word? Estrella. Go ahead and make your pick. Llave. Don't miss this one. Vaso. Is it A or B? You decide. Caballo. Can you get this one right? Cabeza. Show me what you've got. Río. Quick, what's this object?
Tenedor.
Point to the correct image.
Mochila.
Know this one? Prove it.
Plátano.
Make your move now.
Avión.
Is this a tough one for you?
Boca.
Let's see if you're an expert.
Reloj.
Which image represents this word?
Huevo.
Your turn to choose.
Barco.
How's your vocabulary today?
Fuego.
Let's keep going. Pick one.
Tomate.
Identify the correct image.
Dedo.
Bet you can't guess this.
Cuchillo.
Is this familiar to you?
Escuela.
Tap the right answer in your mind.
Tigre.
Which side is correct?
Lluvia.
Do you have the answer ready?
Espejo.
Think you know Spanish? Try this.
Pastel.
Find the perfect match.
Puente.
Let's find out the truth.
Vestido.
Can you spot the winner?
Elefante.
Which one belongs to this word?
Cocina.
Give us your best guess.
Cartera.
Are you a Spanish pro?
Mariposa.
Pick the best picture.
Martillo.
What does this word mean to you?
Limón.
Which side are you on?
Pollo.
Take a look and pick one.
Televisión.
Can you name this in English?
Calle.
Don't let this trick you.
Nariz.
Which one is the right choice?
Hamburguesa.
Ready to pick the winner?
Luna.
Do you recognize this thing?
Cinturón.
How fast can you decide?
Conejo.
Is this a piece of cake for you?
Sal.
Challenge yourself with this one.
Regalo.
Which photo is the right one?
Toalla.
Can you solve this mystery?
Escaleras.
Match the word to the picture.
Corazón.
It's quiz time. Ready?
Sopa.
Know your basics? Let's see.
Paraguas.
Which image is the answer?
Serpiente.
Make your final choice.
Moto.
Can you beat this question?
Nevera.
Which one is the right fit?
Camiseta.
Choose the correct picture.
Pera.
Is your Spanish good enough?
Araña.
Spot the correct answer fast.
Anillo.
Which one is the real one?
Jardín.
Let's test your memory.
Cebolla.
Can you figure it out?
Botella.
Which one is the true match?
Médico.
Pick the right side now.
Peine.
How well do you know this?
Pared.
Last chance. Which one is it?
Lobo.
Thanks for watching the video. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more quizzes. See you in the next one.